Monarchs, this week's video is going to be a little shorter than the usual because some of my videos got deleted on accident, but I still made it work. I got this kit off of Amazon. It was only $10 and the glue, let me tell you, is the best I've ever encountered. Not so much the design of the UV lamp, but everything else is great. Got my nail tips pre-measured, using my electric nail filer to file down the tips. Make sure you dust off all that residue from filing down. Grabbing my favorite UV lamp and of course the nail glue to get started on application of nail tips. When applying the nail glue as I'm showing right now, this method has helped me a lot. Move nail under UV lamp and cure. Going to be doing the exact same things to the rest of the nails. I cut the tips to a semi-short nail. Using my filer to make the nail tips straight. Make sure to dust off all that residue as well. These are the nails before nail polish. The nail polish I will be using are from Sally Hansen, Camelot from the Extreme Wear collection, and Terracotta from the Miracle Gel collection. I didn't end up using a white on though. Applying Terracotta to my thumb, pinky, and middle finger. This is where videos got corrupted or something. Somebody deleted them, but I did do a couple coats on them to make the colors and the sparkles brighter. I will be using this golden rose or golden yellow orangey foil on my other fingers, which is my ring and my index, which that color I use is Camelot from the Extreme Wear collection. So for separating the foil, I just used tools, and then I did apply top coat before applying the foil to act like glue, and these are how they turned out to be. I will be using my cuticle oil and smoothing it onto my cuticle area. Let me know what y'all think. I apologize for the short video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Comment down below if you are excited for fall. It's September already, like how? It's mind-blowing. Anyways, see y'all next week. Bye.